A lot of homeowners forget that they have filters for the air conditioning system. They only notice it once the grills start getting really dirty. In reality, we should be changing them out once every 2 to 3 months. It depends on usage and the lifestyle that you guys have. If you guys open up a lot of windows, if you guys have pets around the house, we want to make sure we change out the filters a little bit more frequently. The best thing I always recommend is having a little alert on your phone saying, hey, time to change out your air filter, and just keep on track with it. That way you make it simple, not just for yourself, but also you make it simple for any HVAC company that comes out here when repairs are needed or a tune-up, to know that you're making sure that the system is clean. Some systems have a big 5-inch MERV 16 filter. Those ones do have to be changed out once a year, but obviously if you do have shaggy covering up the return vent, you might want to change it out sooner.